Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bank of LaFayette mobile bank app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Bank of LaFayette mobile bank app is a mobile banking tool designed to empower customers to manage their finances anytime, anywhere. It offers features such as adding tags, notes and photos to transactions, setting up balance alerts, making payments to companies or friends, transferring money between accounts, depositing checks with just a picture of the front and back, reordering or turning off a lost debit card, saving monthly statements, and finding nearby branches and ATMs. The app's main feature is its comprehensive mobile account management suite. You can quickly view and categorize transactions, make instant transfers, deposit checks remotely using your phone camera, and maintain control of your card directly in the app. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its high ratings, 4.9 stars on iOS, and positive feedback regarding ease of use, modern design, and reliable mobile deposit and alert features. The combination of transaction organization, tags/notes/photos, and mobile deposit appeals to users who want more than just standard banking. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users note that features like check deposit timing or certain payment integrations may vary depending on account type or bank policy. Others mention small compatibility issues with older devices or limited support for multi-bank aggregation. In summary, the Bank of LaFayette mobile bank app may be worth using if you're a customer looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use mobile banking solution with advanced features like mobile check deposit, transaction tagging, and alerts. However, if you need highly specialized financial tools or cross-bank functionalities, you might find some limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.